Hello, my name is Sarah Payne and welcome to one of my quick tips tutorials. Now this is the Brother Innovis V7 embroidery and sewing machine, but this feature is on a lot of the Innovis range, and I'm going to show you how to switch between metric and imperial measurements on your embroideries. Now you'll see down here that I've actually got my embroidery size in millimeters. Not everybody wants to work in millimeters, and the quilters among us prefer to see it in inches. So to do that, you go to the settings button, press settings, and we actually need, on this case, screen 10. So you can see as I key through that, screen 9, screen 10. Up the top here we have it in millimeters. We just change it to inches, click close, and now my embroidery design is detailed in inches, ready for me to go. Thank you very much for joining me for this quick tip. Please like and subscribe and come back for plenty more. Thank you. Bye bye.